Baby, shall survive. No.
The struggle is real. Hi guys, it's Siana and welcome back to my channel. If you remember in last week's video, we was reviewing Boohoo's up to 80% off sale. I have bought so hard on a budget that I had to make it a two-part try on haul. And if you remember that pink bodysuit that I was speaking about, let's get into it.
This bodysuit was £14, reduced to £4. The material so far looks very nice. I'm seeing it's got like this little shimmer to it. It had like some cut out side. Ooh, baby. I want to try this on for you guys, but I feel like if I try this on and come back out here in just this, I'm going to be in trouble. Okay? Trouble. I'm trying to get monetized eventually. This won't do it. Guys. Okay, so I've just put this on and darling, sweetie pie, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I don't even want to move in this too tough because I feel like my whole breast disease is about to be out of doors. My gosh, I don't know what they was thinking. They advertised this as a bodysuit, as clothing. It's not clothing, this is lingerie. This needs to be in the bedroom for your mansies, okay? Because it feels luxurious on the skin. The material is beautiful. But if I move too tough, game over. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling like, what's going on? This shouldn't even be like this. Ooh, I don't even know. This isn't even side boob. This is bottom boob. Ooh, it's even like a thong type style. Like, my goodness gracious me. Great balls of fire. You would have to tape this. Like, if you're just going to wear this on a night out. Listen, forget even on a night out. If you're going to wear it, you're going to have to tape it using the double-sided breast tape, because I'm telling you, any little movement, it's gonna be a nini up in this. Just This is the champagne variation to the peach that I just showed you. Both the same size, both size 14. Also paid the same price, £4, reduced from £14. But this one fits a lot better. Like, I wouldn't be afraid to move too tough in this one, although the tape is still necessary just in case. Peach is more playful and fun. This champagne colour is a lot more classy for me. I really like Nude Skirt. This was supposed to be £20, reduced to £4. I would never have been paying £20 for it, because what it looks like on the website is not worth £20. Let's see what it looks like on in real life. Material is okay. Quite thin, no stretch to it, so God knows. Let's hope this size 16 fits. Okay, no, it's looking like it's gonna do something. Oh yeah, oh, you see, nah, this is where I'm rating Boohoo. Okay, why is the zip getting stuck? I really don't seem to have luck with zips, trousers. Thank you. Okay, so this is where I am rating Boohoo, because their sizes are really true to life. It's not bad, you know. It really isn't bad. I'm liking all of this. All of this is girly. It's cute. It's sassy. Give me a little salsa vibe. I don't have nowhere to go. We're in a lockdown. Killing me. Killing me. Next up is this blue crop. It was supposed to be £14. I paid £5 for it. It's nice material. It's like a velour material again. It has baby in diamantes. Dang. Alright, my head is big, but it isn't this big. Sheesh. This is a 14. The sleeves are long. I like the fact that they made the sleeves long on this crop. That was smart. Dang. Okay, I needed the 16 in this. Jesus. This is small. it hooks onto the top itself. Good idea, yes. Can I get it hooked? No.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
This legitimately just took ages to hook up. I have really guessed where the hooks are. I really don't know if it's hooked up properly, but let me give you a twirl. I guess my nails didn't help either. I do like the baby across the neck as well. It's giving me sexy, chic, young, playful. I want to see what it looks like if you could unhook these and maybe tie it up at the front. Do you know one other thing I remembered about this as well? It has the fun bits. That is why I purchased it, you know. The worth just went up. It might look small, but I'm keeping this top. So don't judge me. Mind your business. I'm keeping it.
Alright guys, so we have this peach peplum dress that I purchased in a size 16. This dress was supposed to be £25. I got it for £5. It feels nice. It's like a velour type material. Do you know what? It's really good quality, you know. Like the breast parts even have wire in it, like underwire, which is necessary, especially if you've breastfed 2 kids. Woo! The struggle is real. It has a nice rubber bit around the top for grip. The sleeves is giving me bingo wing vibes, like. But no, the dress is nice. I like the dress. The feel is nice. It's really good quality. It's a mini, but it's not mini, which I like, because I hate to be conscious when I'm out. I hate the I don't like all of that. So this is really nice. I don't feel like it's gonna ride up. I mean, I wish the sleeves were detachable. I personally might make them detachable myself so that you can hook them on and off. But I really do.
Coming at you with this organza balloon sleeve top. I ordered it in a size 16. This was supposed to be £15. I got it for £5, if I remember rightfully. It has a zip at the back, which Lord knows I'm about to try do up. Let me do up the zip this way actually. So yes, do up the zip first. It has these strings because it's meant to crisscross around your body a few times. Do you know what? I really like how this fits. It's giving me the Clown It vibes. But I like it. Start is this t-shirt. Was reduced from £12 to £4. Probably should have ordered it a bit smaller for a tighter fit. However, I do like it. I love the colours as well. The purple, the orange, the yellow and the pink. It's really nice actually. I'm feeling this tee. Sleeves are a bit looser than I would have liked, but it's alright. It's okay guys. So this is a leather look tan skirt in size 16. This skirt was supposed to be £18. I paid £6. Ooh. The quality. Okay, it's got poppy buttons. You guys know that these buttons always wear out after a while. I guess they can be replaced. Not by eye, but they can be replaced. Okay, it fits well. It fits well. I actually like the fact that it comes with this belt. I like it a lot. The long type of drape to the side belts are actually in. It's got a nice soft underlayer. This is nice quality. If you guys watch my Shein haul video, I've showed a couple skirts in there, and you know what? This is up there with Shein's quality. Last but not least, guys, this grab bag was supposedly £18, reduced to £6. I don't know why Boohoo's lying, because these grab bags, they are on AliExpress and they're also on Wish.com. It does look a bit like a Birkin.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
It's not Birkin quality. Tell you that for free. The handle's very cheap. I mean, It's a good thing I don't carry a lot around because this handle will be gone in seconds. It comes with a long strap which is on the inside. But yeah, it's cute. Okay guys, so we've reached the end of today's video. Tell me what you guys think in the comment box down below. What did you like and what was you not so fond of? As usual, everything will be listed in the description box. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to stay updated with new content. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.